look what I found at FYE.
Woo,
Hello, Sano.
mystery
Mystery
snack box.
mystery box. And then we got tropical banana flavor.
Ramuni.
Ramuni. My son like told me I was saying it wrong, but whatever. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna try this. And
Let's open up our mystery
I'm
box.
like excited about this because I was like, when I seen this, I grabbed it. There was only one. I asked that lady how much it was, and she told me about it. I was like, I don't care. I'm getting it. Oh, there's a remote. What kind is this? It's Hello Kitty. Oh my God, I don't even want to drink that. We're probably not going to try all this today because there's a lot of stuff in here.
Yes.
We'll do some today and some the next time. Oh my God, look at all the stuff, Tara.
Look at this.
Oh my Lord.
Looks like a fruit roll-up feels like.
Oh
Oh, it's a
look,
Kit Kat.
There's 2 of these.
Ooh.
Oh my
pineapple
Lord, pineapple
flavor.
flavor. We got enough for a couple of videos here.
Yeah.
So anyway, I think me and Tara, what we're going to do right now, we're going to try this and we're going to pick, let's each pick 2 things to try.
When you want to go through and show us in the box?
Okay, we'll show what's in the box.
Got some Kit Kats.
We got Hello Kitty wafer chocolate cookies, which I know I'm going to love.
These will almost look like strawberry milk balls. Oh, it's a chocolate snack.
We got strawberry flavor wafer. Oh man, all this Hello Kitty stuff, I love it!
It is a little melon pandaroos.
And since I bought Max, one of those 50 flavor Kit Kats, I know these are green tea. I can tell you without a doubt these are green tea. And I like green tea, so I don't have no issue
Oh,
with
this
that.
is called sour paper.
We gotta try that.
Ooh, gotta try this.
We got 2 more of these. This is apparently Hello Kitty flavor, because that's all it says. And this is, I'm gonna keep these bottles. And that is pineapple flavor. I'm excited.
These are strawberry flavored rice crackers.
Oh, I've had these before. They're so good. I love these. What is that? That looks, oh, so strong.
Chocolate coated pie.
Well, I will definitely eat it. It looks like marshmallow pie.
That's what it looks like.
This is called 7 Stick. And I can't read the Japanese, so I do not know what it is.
I think that's everything in there.
No, definitely missed this. And this. This looks like some kind of candy bar. But
This is a
I can't
gummy.
read it, so I don't know.
A making gummy grape. That's what it says in English on the back.
And these are some kind of that's a pretty nice box for what I
Yeah.
paid for it. I mean, I'm not mad.
Looks like a
It looks like
turd.
rice candy or something.
It looks like a
I'm
turd.
gonna try these Pandoros. It looks like maybe green tea flavor. No, it's melon flavor. Okay, we're each gonna pick 2 things to try.
I want to try the sour paper.
That's fine. I want to try. I think we kind of have to try the green tea Kit Kat.
Okay.
What else you want to try, Tara? I want. This is my second thing to try. The
Okay.
little melon things.
And then we'll try the poop stick.
Okay. And we will do another video trying the rest of this. Don't worry, because I'm super excited about everything that's in this box. Because I'm obsessed with Hello Kitty. I'll be honest with you, and I love anything Hello Kitty. I'm so excited about having these drinks.
Yes.
So we
I'm
will
gonna
try.
let you know when I open it.
We're gonna do another video. This we don't have time to do a whole video of this box at one time because let's face it, we both work.
Somebody's got to go to work.
We fit these videos into our time when we're not working, and
Yes.
Tara's actually has to go to work, and I have to fix her something to eat. So
If Daddy comes back in.
I'm gonna try to drink this soda while Tara opens the
Sour paper.
Sour paper.
This almost reminds me of like a fruit roll-up.
The thing I like about these is none of them is like sugary. So honestly, this is actually good, but it don't really taste like bananas to me.
So this is what the sour paper looks like.
Oh wow, sour paper. Is that like a fruit thing? My teeth might be good enough. Try that drink in a minute there. What does it taste like? It smells like bananas.
It tastes like nothing.
No, it don't. You know what this tastes like?
What?
This tastes like Wrigley chewing gum. Take the flavor in. This tastes like fruit gum. This tastes like Wrigley's fruit gum. It's a little sour, but it's not used to. I like Sour Patches, so yeah. To me, this is not sour. It tastes like Wrigley's gum.
Mm-hmm.
Why would this?
It smells like it too.
Mm-hmm. I think Wrigley needs to go copyright these people. I don't think it has any taste to it.
That's weird.
It's not really banana-y to me. Banana-y, is that a word? Okay. I think it's good, but to me it tastes like gum. Okay. We'll try we'll try one of mine now. I want to try the little melon Pandoro. I think that's what it says, Pandoro. It's got a panda bear on it.
Pandoro!
It's a giant panda.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
What if his ears fell?
Here we go. Oh, it smells good.
Smells like a shortbread cookie.
Mm-hmm. But I think it's got melon. It's green, like lightly green in the middle.
Ooh. That's good.
It is good.
That would go with coffee.
I like that. I wish I could buy a whole box of them.
Let you find them all online.
Okay. And we'll ship this over here.
Mm-hmm. That's what it smells like, Charlie.
Okay. And we're going to try her Rice Krispie looking thing.
The ball is stuck in there.
You know what? We probably need to get that big 50 box of Kit Kats and just go through and do videos about how they all taste.
Yeah.
Some of them are good. Like, I've tasted a few of Max's, but like the really weird ones, people like, here, taste this. I think my favorite one was like the grape flavored. Yeah. Oh, wait. The Halloween one. It was some kind of orange weird flavor. That was really strange. Break it down.
Oh, it's almost like probably like a Crunch Bar.
Yeah.
Oh, coffee.
That's coffee flavored. I like that. Oh, that's good. That is definitely coffee flavored. This tastes like a cup of coffee. I like that.
I like the all good stuff.
Let's ship it real fast and it won't get stuck. It must be stuck in the bottle in there. So. Okay, now I'm going to try. I know this is green tea because it looks exactly like Master's little green tea one she had. It's either that or matcha.
Smell like
Nothing. I think this is.
I was asking off of it.
Yes. Yes.
I smell the chocolate.
Matcha? It's green tea. I think it's green tea. What's that? That's green tea.
Yeah, but it ain't my cup of tea.
That's fine. I mean, it ain't my cup of tea either, but
It's white chocolate too.
it came with the thing, so
Right.
like, yeah.
That tastes like gum.
That tastes like
And the little chocolate thing we had was really good too.
This is not bad. Ain't my favorite flavor. I think I'm gonna like. It says banana yana.
Banana yana?
Rumuni. I think that's how Max says.
Ramuni?
Ramuni or Ramuni. I know he said emphasis on the E, whatever that means.
Ramuni!
I can't really
Want some
taste it.
gum?
now. Yeah, I don't waste it. So I'm definitely excited to try the rest of it, especially. Where's that one thing? These look like what is this things I like? This you know I'm getting one. Malamars. It's kind of a latte pie. Latte pie.
Latte pie? Latte pie.
Chocolate coated pie. And it's Hello Kitty. I'm keeping all these boxes and stuff. Because I love Hello Kitty.
Oh, I bet you they got more mystery boxes like that, like online or something. We just need to get like a
Well, they
random.
had a bunch of different ones over there, but it was just different genres, you know? We'll definitely go there and look.
Yeah.
I'll look on eBay for mystery boxes and just see.
Who knows?
Because honestly, I love this box. I'm going to keep this box. I mean, this box is
Yeah,
cute.
absolutely.
Like, I'm going to keep this box, just keep maybe Lenny's rattles or something, man. It's just so cute.
That's a cute little box too.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. I like
So
it.
we'll do another couple of videos on this box. 'Cause
absolutely.
there's a ton of stuff in there. I can't try it all day.
Mm-mm.
I got to feed her before she goes to work.
I gotta get ready for work.
Well, thanks for watching.
Like, share, subscribe, comment.
below. Definitely comment below because that helps the channel.
Absolutely.
And we will see you next time
Bye.
on Granny's Corner.
Granny's
Bye-bye.
Corner.